2018. It's also my Paris qualifier, the 200 kilometre distance. It's the very first one of this year. And I'm heading down to Alfreton, which is about 10 minutes away from where I am at the moment. Just heading down the M1. A few more turnings to take off. Just passing Bowls over, which reminds me I did a audax back in October of last year, the colourful Columba. I might just put a link in the top corner. As for today, the weather's looking a bit gloomy at the moment. There's some blue skies earlier in Lincolnshire. I checked the weather before I left, and it's improved on yesterday's forecast, where there was a bit of a chance of rain both in the morning and the afternoon. The chance of rain is literally now, so I might be setting off into a few spots of rain. I don't know. And it reminded me I need to find a gilet or wiggle and get one bought as soon as possible, really. So if anybody's got any recommendations, stick them in the comments area below this video. I'll read those as soon as I can. So yes, today's ride is a 200 kilometre. It's called the Roses to Rags. It starts from Alfreton in Nottinghamshire, with the first control being at Roses Cafe. That's where it gets half of its name. To Wragby, that's as far east as we go. And this morning it will be on a tailwind. So I'm expecting the winds to increase during the morning, so it's not going to be as pleasant on the way back home. So I was thinking initially I might have to wear my new waterproof jacket, my DHB flashlight, but I'm thinking I'm going to go long sleeve and chance it really. I don't think it's going to be a lot of rain at all. There'll be a few spits and spots in the morning. Right for the beginning of the Roses to Rags audax. There's actually a lot more people have already left. Heading off in waves this morning, so you pick your card up, you can leave. I understand there's about 108 people signed up this morning, so that's a massive uptake. I'm just going to have a look at this bike over here. It's a penny farthing. Look at this. Wow. 1, 2, 3 water bottles. It's the first time I've seen one up this close. That's pretty cool.
It's not a lot to it, is there? The frame is like one piece.
One guy set off from the start without the credit card, then we found 2 in a car.
How are you doing? All right?
Yeah.
I'm Richard.
John.
Pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, I've been doing the same thing.
Yeah.
All this sort of
But it's flying down here, wasn't you?
Yeah.
It's been lovely, hasn't it?
I saw a guy fall off in front of me.
Did you?
On the bend, yeah. It was like 25 and he just down that way, just came.
Bloody hell.
They're very comfortable. You've got suspension all round.
Oh, there's seat in here.
Oh, it's lovely. You do 100 miles, you get out and you're like, nothing hurts. Fantastic.
I think we better get on, haven't we?
Yep.
Well, I've just enjoyed my breakfast at the first control point this morning, which was Rose's Cafe in Saundby, just outside Gainsborough. Just heading along the dual carriageway now towards Gainsborough itself. It's a really short section of dual carriageway. Cross over the bridge, near 161. As expected, the wind's been really hopeful, really kind to me this morning, and to all the other riders as well. It's not going to be so kind on the way back home though. It's going to be a little bit tricky. Morning.
Are you giving me 250 quid?
only if you fall off, yeah. Did I already say how nice it was? It's turned out to be a stonker of a day. Absolutely gorgeous today. Been through the information control at Colby, and prior to then it's been 15k or so of headwinds on a slow gradient uphill, so it's been really tiring. So I've just been pushing, and it's very tiring now, so I'm going to have to ease off a little bit. Another audax in the bag. Just finished the Roses and Rags 200km audax from Alfreton to Wragby, and yeah, record time. Let's just look at some of the stats on Strava. See if we can get into focus. Good power there, 120 watts. I'm surprised by that actually. I'm really pleased with that, great performance. So yeah, an hour and a half drive home now. So as always, hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Hope you have a good week. Happy cycling.